Welcome to Minnesota.
I'm with Dave, and we're in Minnesota for the start of the Minnesota QSO Party, and this is the 5th year we've done this. This year, we're going to do the same thing we did last year. We're going to park in a single spot in a park entity in Wabasha County, Minnesota, and we're going to park and bark for the next 10 hours. So, You ready for that, Dave?
Yeah. Yeah. You know what's amazing to me is we left the house 15 minutes ahead of schedule.
Yep.
And here we are 2 minutes before go time and we're scrambling.
We're down to the wire again. We're always down to the wire. I don't know what it is. It's because we had everything was prepped ahead of time. So let's get the show on the road. This is Kilo Zero Mike, Minnesota QSO Party.
Kilo Romeo 4, Echo Delta Kilo. Delta.
I heard a Kilo Romeo 4.
Kilo Romeo 4, Echo Delta Kilo.
Kilo Romeo 4, Echo Delta Kilo. Name here is Mike in Wabasha County.
Hey, this is Andrew. I'm in Alabama.
Hey, Andrew, thanks for Alabama. You have a great day. 7-3. This is Kilo Zero Mike, Minnesota QSO Party.
Whiskey 4, Bravo Golf Alpha.
Whiskey 4, Bravo Golf Alpha. Name here is Mike in Wabasha County.
Roger, you're 5-9 here in Tennessee, Johnson City, Tennessee. Name here is Brett. Bravo Romeo Echo Tango Tango.
Hey, Brett, thanks for Tennessee. You have a great day, and 7-3.
73. Kilo 2, Juliet Whiskey Delta.
Kilo 2, Juliet Whiskey Delta. Hey there, Mel. Name here is Mike, Wabasha County.
QSL, Mike. You're 5-9 here in Mike Alpha. Name is Mel, as you said.
All right. Hey, thanks for Massachusetts. You have a great day, and 7-3.
7-3, look for you again.
All right, we are at just about noon, and I think Dave's making another contact on CW here, quick.
Yep. W0AA. Kentucky. Oh, no.
Kentucky.
This is a Mower County. It's a multiplier.
Oh, a multiplier. Good one. Good. Get him in the log.
Bingo.
All right.
That's multiplier number 88.
88.
Unbelievable.
We are doing actually quite well for the first half of the QSO party. Started at 8 o'clock, and we're running at about noon here, so about 4 hours in. And we are sitting at 400 contacts, which means if we want to get 1,000 contacts by the end of the day, we are on track.
Yeah, it's not noon yet. It's only 20 to 12.
It's about 20 to 12. It's about 20 to 12.
No, yeah, we got a good chance.
We got a good chance. 88 multipliers. I've been exclusively on 20 meters. Dave's exclusively been on 40 meters. 70,400 points right now. So we are rocking and rolling.
CW is doing better than I expected. There's 53 contacts and 8 multipliers.
8 multipliers.
Just off CW.
And I've got 250 contacts on 20 meters.
Yeah.
20 meters is crowded, especially around that window where the QSO party people are hanging out. So it's been a little bit of a challenge there. But
one thing that surprised me, we got the extra computer in here to watch the spotting networks.
Yep.
And the mobiles here in Minnesota are running on 10, 15, and 20 meters.
Yeah.
Which makes it almost impossible for us to get them.
That makes it hard. Yeah, absolutely.
So that's a challenge, but it is what it is.
Mm-hmm. We were hoping to get more Minnesota counties and tracking those mobile stations, but if they're on 20 meters, that's not going to happen.
But we're doing all right. We've got 52
Yeah.
I got 52 multipliers and 40 meters, and I'm going to guess that probably 99% of those are Minnesota counties.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So.
Yep. And I got 36, and it's all states outside of Minnesota. So I'm not hitting Minnesota at all. So good deal. Well, let's. I think we're going to need a quick bite and stretch our legs, and we'll rock and roll for the second half of the contest. While Dave and I take a lunch break, let me tell you a little about our setup for the Minnesota QSO Party. We are running multi-operator with 2 transceivers. I will focus on the 20 meter band to make points, and Dave will focus on 40 meters to catch as many multipliers he can. For power, we are both tied to a 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery, and we'll run our Yaesu FT891 transceivers. The radios are in the back, with the remote heads placed near the console of the truck to save space. On the radios, we are keeping interference to a minimum by using bandpass filters and common mode chokes, both at the feed point of the antenna and at the antenna output of the transceiver. We've refined this setup over many iterations of the Minnesota and Wisconsin QSO parties and have found it to be a very workable solution for minimizing interference. I've got a longer video that describes this setup. Link is in the video description. But for now, let's get back to the QSO party.
Alrighty.
Yeah, let's get back at her.
Alpha Delta 9 Echo Alpha.
Alpha Delta 9 Echo Alpha. Name is Mike in Wabasha County. Whiskey Alpha Bravo.
Name on this end is Keith. I am in India, November, Indiana.
All right, Keith, thanks for Indiana. You have a great day, and 7-3.
7-3, and I got your park number 2.
That's correct. Yep, US 4236. So have a great day. 7-3. Kilo Zero Mike, Minnesota QSO Party, Parks on the Air. Victor Echo 2 Charlie Whiskey. Name is Mike in Wabasha County. Whiskey Alpha Bravo. Back to you.
QSL, please correct my call. Victor Echo number 3, Charlie Whiskey. Name is Jeff in Ontario.
Victor Echo 3 Charlie Whiskey. I got you corrected in the log, and thanks for Ontario.
73, have fun.
7-3. This is Kilo Zero Mike, Minnesota QSO Party, Parks on the Air.
Kilo November Delta 9 Echo.
November Delta 9 Echo. Name here is Mike in Wabasha County. Whiskey Alpha Bravo. Back to you.
Started that name here, Scott, 59 Illinois. Thank you.
All right, Scott. Thanks for Illinois. You have a great day, and 7-3. Is there a Whiskey 4 station?
Whiskey 4, Bravo, Italy, Zulu.
Whiskey 4 Bravo, Italy, Zulu. Name here is Mike in Wabasha County. Whiskey Alpha Bravo. Back to you.
All right, very good. 5-9, Northeast Alabama. The name is Bill, and I saw you guys put this on YouTube yesterday, so I was glad to find you. Over.
All right, Bill. Hey, thanks a lot for the Alabama. Yeah, we're gonna kilo this park. We're getting really close to it, but with only a couple hours to go. So thanks a lot for the contact.
73, my friend.
This is Kilo Zero Mike, Minnesota QSO Party, Parks on the Air.
Kilo 9 Echo Echo.
Ending in Echo Echo.
Kilowatt 9 Echo Echo.
All right, I got Eastern PA. Can I get your name for the log? Thank you, Bob. You have a great day, and 7-3.
7-3.
All right, the contest is ending in 2 minutes, so we're going to get as many as we can. Kilo Zero Mike, QRZ.
N4 TGM, India.
November 4 Tango Golf Mike. Name here is Mike in Wabasha County. Whiskey Alpha Bravo.
Evening, Mike. Name is Tom. I'm in Harris County, Georgia.
All right, Tom. Thanks for Georgia. 7-3. Kilo Zero Mike, Minnesota QSO Party. And that is all she wrote.
Oh my God.
Isn't that something else? I'm just marking myself QRT here. Holy smokes. Well, let me say this. I was going into the last hour, I was very, very concerned we were not going to hit our goal of 1,000 contacts in the park in one day in 10 hours. In 10 hours, 1,000 between the two of us.
Yeah. It'll be interesting to look at the stats,
And-
N1MN
Yeah.
has the graphs, and then we can look at it and figure out the peaks and the valleys, because there was a valley this afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't remember exactly what time it was, but it got really slow. And I switched to 15 meters out of desperation, because going in today, I was thinking that 15 would be unproductive and not worth the time to make all the band switch. But holy cow, 15 meters, we got 56 CW contacts and 125 sideband.
Yeah.
On a band that we had no intentions of using. What? And then the last hour, I thought I could really make hay on 40 meters. Okay, I got on 40, and the foreign broadcast was outrageous. It's just awful. Above 7,200, it was a nightmare. So I switched to CW, which is a way slower rate, but I could hear people. So I wound up working, I don't know, maybe 60 or 70 CW guys in the last hour.
Yeah, you were really kind of just raking them in the last hour. I was watching the log here on the screen, and they were coming in, and I was having kind of a lull. I was having trouble getting people on 20 meters, and finally, just the last few minutes, I posted on the spotting page last call, and that perked people up, and we finished off with a score of 1,019 QSOs. Now, 1,019 contacts.
Yeah, and you had 576
I had
of those.
576, 577. Now, the amazing part are the multipliers. We've got 111 multipliers here.
Yeah.
I had 43. I was all on 20 meters, 43. So that's all states and provinces. You've got 68 multipliers. That would be... Now, 4 of those are on the 15-meter band, but the others would be
64.
64. The bulk of those are Minnesota counties.
Yeah, I'd say maybe a half a dozen of them are not.
Yeah. States that I couldn't get. But this was crazy. 226,218 points. We blew this one out of the park. We're not going to do the Minnesota QSO Party anymore. We're done. We're done.
Yeah, we've probably set the bar too high now.
Yeah, we're going to have to either do something different or what, I don't know. That's the Minnesota QSO Party for another year.
Yeah. So here we sit. It's pitch dark. We've got cables strung out in the snow. It's antennas to take down. It's cold. The temperature has probably dropped back down to about 15 degrees.
Yep.
And we got to clean this mess up and then go find some food.
Yeah.
Because we're toast.
They're toast. All right. Well, let's tear down, get some food, and
that bar in Wabasha is looking.
The bar in
pretty good.
Wabasha, I think, is the place to be. So,
we have a reservation there.
do we?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm Michael, KB9VBR.
Dave, KZ9V.
You have a great day, 7-3.